Introducing the Regace project. Regace develops an innovative agrivoltaics technology to sustainably increase greenhouse yields and improve electricity production. The Regace system, based on TriSolar technology, will provide affordable clean energy which combines optimum crop conditions with significant energy generation. The use of CO2 enrichment will expand agrivoltaics usage to areas with less sunshine and low light conditions. Such areas in greenhouses can be used to generate power, a particularly relevant aspect due to accelerated climate change. This will lead to positive effects on ecological environmental sustainability by reducing the carbon footprint of conventional solar energy. The Regace technology will allow the dual use of land and infrastructure. It will lead to reduced construction and maintenance costs, duration of execution, and the reduction of CO2 emissions caused by conventional agrivoltaic installations. Regace will have a significant positive effect on ecological environmental sustainability. The project's outputs will contribute to the diversification of the energy producing market. It will enable smallholding greenhouse owners to play a significant role in the market. The Regace consortium has been awarded €5.3 million by European Union. It is composed of 12 partners from Germany, Italy, Austria, Greece, and Israel. To learn more, visit us at https://regaceproject.com.